Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys the Hero Arts kit that I purchased for this month. Y'all know I love all coffee and tea, everything, and if I can afford it, when I see coffee and tea stuff, I will get it no matter how much I already own. So I love coffee and tea, everything. That was this month's kit. So it came packaged up like this. And of course, I'm going to reuse this pretty ribbon. So this is the lovely stamp set. And you know, their stamp sets are big with the kit. And here are all the dies that came with it. This is the same. I didn't even pay that one any attention. Sorry, I was trying to take it out so I could look at it more. But this one, okay, let's see. But this will, it's like a card front, a whole card front that I could die cut into the card. And I've already seen some people make some samples and stuff with the kit. So I was very excited about this one and all the sentiments that's on here. Absolutely beautiful, and it's very nice size. I really love this one as well. And then it also came with some embossing powder from them, some crystal lacquer, sort of like glossy accents, but just a little bit thicker, but it gives the same result. And they had these coffee stained sheets, and when I tell you it smells so good, I don't know what coffee they use to stain these, but oh my god, it smells so good. I just had to smell it. So that came in the kit, and then they had several add-ons that I wanted, but I could not get them all. So I picked and choose what I wanted to get. So I got this cute one because I wanted to try to step up my card making and everything. You know, oftentimes we get with what we're used to and we stay, but I always try to get a little better. So I'm going to try to learn how to color these animals. So I got this one. And as the day of this taping, they still have this set in stock. And it's $34.99. But they do $50 free shipping. I always do that because it's always something else that I want if it's a kit that I like. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description bar below in case any other coffee or tea lovers out there like me, you guys want to get some. Okay, so next up, I got this one, and look at that. Look at that cup. Yes, hallelujah. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh. Well, it's a tea. Yeah, tea. But look at that. Isn't that cute? And then the last one that I picked was this one. So hopefully it won't take me too long to use this. Y'all know I'll buy stuff I want it when I first see it, and then I'll by the time it get to me, I won't be interested anymore because my attention span is so short. Then it'll come back up later. But hopefully I'll go ahead and try to use these. But this is so pretty with the desserts and stuff. That's the number for that one. Is it gonna focus? There we go. And that's that one. I'll just show it again just in case it didn't focus well. Then here's this one. You can see that design. And then that's that one. Spill the tea. What does it say? Yeah, spill the tea. And then I think you guys saw this well. And that's that one. Party animal. foam animals. I'm sorry, foam animals. All right, so that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you the kit that I picked up this month and the additional stamps that I added on to this. All right, and so that's it. You guys have a great day, and I'll be back with another video. Bye for now.